Studies show that animated titles capture attention 80% more effectively than static ones. Want to make your presentation stand out? Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to create a stunning animated title effect in PowerPoint that will instantly enhance your presentation. Let's get started. Right-click on the slide. Go to Format Background and select your preferred background color. Click on Insert. Click on Insert. Select text box and drag it to position it. Type Tiger or any text of your choice. Center your content. Change the font color. Change the font. And increase the font size for better visibility. Go to Shape Format. Click Align Center and Align Middle. Select Text Outline Color and set it to white. Increase the outline width to make it more prominent. Go to Animation tab. Select Fly-In as the entrance effect. Click on Effect option. Choose from right. Increase the duration to 4 seconds. Duplicate the text box. Go to Shape Format and select No Fill from Text Fill to make it transparent. Since we duplicated the text box, the animation is already applied. Just make sure to set it with Previous to sync both animation. Insert a background, remove same image from this device. Send to backward so that the text box stay in front. Align middle to ensure everything is centered. Duplicate the background, remove image. Go to Shape Format, Align Center for perfect positioning. Click on Effect. Select Glow. Choose a glow effect and change the glow color to match your theme. Go to Animation. Select Fade Animation and set it to After Previous. Click on Slideshow Mode to view your stunning animated title effect in action. And there you have it. You just created a professional animated title effect in PowerPoint using simple text formatting, layering, and smooth animation. This will instantly elevate your presentation. If you found this tutorial helpful, let me know in the comment which technique you like best. Also, don't forget to check out my other PowerPoint tips and tricks videos. Like, share, and subscribe for more amazing content.